what we're gonna do here is, you see, I have a piece of paper, and it's not just a regular piece of paper, it's a different piece of paper. First, there's lots of colors and stuff. This is how we make it. So you see here, I have purple, and when you squirt it on, you can move it out. Take a little of alcohol, and you're gonna whoosh it around your paper. And this paper, you can actually buy big or small, and you just whoosh like, if it's a big paper, then you whoosh a lot. If it's a small paper, you just whoosh a little. Okay, and see it's spreading out. So we have straws and stuff, and we have spreaders. See, there's different shapes. So those are really handy. And then this you can blow with, you just squeeze it and it blows out. So what you have to do first, you have to take whichever color you want. Blue for now. Maybe this. They have names on it. So I'm gonna open it, and that's the little sucker. So you lean it over, you can whoosh, 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 whoosh. You see? It's starting to light. You can squirt it. Now, you can take your straw or your blower or anything you want, and you can with a Kleenex. Your kids can do this. Any human can do this if they would like.
Really interesting. Can I get a close-up?
Some pink.
Wow, neat.
See? You can squirt it on and also do dots, whatever you want. Too much. This is a bottle, not water, just alcohol. More alcohol. This is actually good. We use it a lot. So you can spray it on.
It's a very cool effect.
Yeah, it just makes little dots. You always have to spray it around or the dots will stick. Now this is still alcohol. You see it got some in there. Now you put it on parts that are dry.
Very cool.
We can get a little more good. Too much. I want to do one of these. There's silver and gold. So these are part of this. You can add them whenever you want. Okay, so I'm gonna just stick with gold. Now you always have to shake these or else that'll turn out really bad. You hear that little ball shaking? You shake it for a little while. Then we're gonna just do one dot, only dots, and that's it. You see, it's shimmering. Now you see it's getting sort of clumpy. So we're gonna blow it out. You see, when you add more,
Amazing. I think that looks really good, Anna.
now I'm gonna put a little.
How do you know when you're done, Anna?
It's done. It's good. It's beautiful.
You want to add silver too? She sees a vision.
Yep. I know what it's gonna look like after.
Really? I don't. Okay, let's see it.
Yeah, this is really fun. Okay, bye.